Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will be taking you through the Blockstream website. So let's get started. Rethink trust. Blockstream solves problems that undermine trust in today's financial systems. Click this button to learn how. Technology, innovation, long-term vision, and expert team. This is the recent blog post. Now let's move on to about why we're here. Our vision and ecosystem of financial networks. Blockstream overview, core values, and investors. So that's it for today. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Go to the WeezCoins website to find more information about the Bitcoin.